Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hear footsteps better in Black Ops 6. So all you have to do is go to your settings on your PlayStation, right there. After that you want to go to System Software, and go to System Software Update and Settings. After that you want to make sure that your system software is up to date. If it's not, then press Update and update your PlayStation. After you've done that, you want to go back until you will see sound right there. And on sound, you want to make sure that audio input is your headphones. So I have connected it to my controller, and basically you need to make sure that it is set on this one. Now, after that, you want to go to volume, and on volume, you can go ahead and adjust the headphone levels. But what you need is accessibility audio focus. Press on it, and here you can actually turn it on. And in order to hear footsteps, you're going to press on here, and instead of boost voices, you're going to choose boost high pitch, and as you can see, it amplifies sounds like footsteps. So you want to make sure to choose that. Here you can adjust the level weak, medium, or strong, and you can also adjust separately to left and right. And here you can press on audio preview and see if you like it or not. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.